Your CPU does not think. It follows instructions one by one in a strict three-step loop called fetch, decode, execute. Let us walk through exactly what that means. Here is the heartbeat of every CPU. Fetch, grab the next instruction from memory. Decode, work out what it means. Execute, actually do it. Then it loops, billions of times every second. The CPU has exactly 3 jobs it repeats forever. Fetch the next instruction from memory. Decode what it means. Execute, meaning carry it out. Then start again immediately. Imagine a chef following a recipe. First they read the next step, that is fetch. Then they understand what it means, that is decode. Then they actually do it, that is execute. The CPU is that chef, but unimaginably fast. Inside one cycle, the CPU reads from a special tracker called the program counter to know which instruction is next. It fetches, decodes, executes, then advances the counter by 1. Every program is nothing but this loop playing out. This loop is not special to one device. Your phone, laptop, smart TV, game console, even your watch. Every processor on the planet runs this exact same 3-step cycle. Only the speed differs. People often think a fast CPU must be intelligent. It is not. A faster chip simply runs more fetch, decode, DAS, execute cycles every second. It does not understand a photo. It just moves numbers around faster than a slower chip would. Every program ever written runs on just 3 steps. Fetch, decode, execute. Billions of times a second, nothing more. Next, we explore registers, the tiny memory slots built right inside the CPU itself.